In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a calendar in Google Calendar. Whether you're looking to declutter your calendar view or just want to temporarily hide some events, this guide will help you achieve a cleaner, more focused interface tailored to your needs. First, let's navigate to your Google Calendar, open your preferred web browser and type in calendar.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. This will bring up your main calendar view, which should look familiar. It's here where you manage and view your schedules, appointments, and events. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand column. This is where you'll find the sections labeled My Calendars and Other Calendars. These sections contain all the calendars associated with your account, including those you own and others you have subscribed to. Take a moment to scan through the list, identifying the calendars you might want to adjust. When you find the specific calendar that you want to hide, simply click on the name of that calendar. This action toggles the visibility of the calendar in your main view. To hide it, click once and you'll notice that the coloured check mark or box next to the calendar's name will disappear, indicating that it's now hidden. This simple trick lets you focus only on what you need to see at the moment. If you decide you want to see that calendar's events again, just click on the calendar name once more in the same list. The checkmark or coloured box will reappear, restoring its visibility. This feature is particularly useful if you're trying to manage multiple calendars simultaneously, whether for work, personal use, or even shared family itineraries. One tip to maximize this feature is to regularly review your calendar list. Sometimes we subscribe to calendars only for temporary purposes, such as a project or event series. By hiding or even unsubscribing to those we no longer need, you can keep your calendar neat and easy to navigate. In summary, hiding a calendar in Google Calendar involves simply clicking on the calendar's name in the left-hand column to toggle its visibility. It's an efficient way to streamline your schedule view without permanently altering or deleting any event information. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed by the clusters of dates and events, remember this quick and easy trick to bring some order and clarity to your digital planner. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.